Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I've already tried to record this one, so we're going to try again. So we're going to work with a lesson 14 problem set, and on our I can down here, it's going to say use place value understanding to decompose to smaller units up to 3 times using the standard subtraction algorithm. We're going to get into word problems, but just not today. So they didn't give me a lot of room on this piece of paper. So I'm going to get my notebook paper out and transfer this problem onto my sheet of notebook paper. Double checking. 24601370. So I'm going to go ahead and move that out of the way so we can see the notebook paper in larger form. So here's my subtraction method. Notice that I lined each one of them up correctly. Now I'm going to draw my place value chart. This is helping us with our number sense and number reasoning. We have our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And since I don't have any more than thousands and I'm subtracting, I know that that's as far as I need to go. So down here, I'm going to go ahead to make sure that I understand my subtraction. I'm going to say, well, this entire piece right here, from here to here, it's 2,460. That's my entire piece. Well, part of that piece is 1,370. I don't know what this missing piece is. So that's the reason I have to subtract from my whole. Now, in subtraction, it is different. Because if you're subtracting, if you have 5 cookies and Miss Haycraft eats 2 of them, you're not going to have more cookies. You're going to have less cookies. You're going to have 3 cookies. So you have to take the whole number and take away the other number. So I'm going to go ahead and draw. I don't have any ones over here, so I'm not going to put anything in there, because if I put a 0, then it might look like a disc. So I'm going to do 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to do 2, 1, 2. Now this is when I'm going to change up my colors, because I want you to be able to see exactly what we're doing. If I take 0 away from this, that means I still have 0 in there. If I take, so I have 0 in there. If I take 7 away, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I can't. I cannot take 7 away. So therefore, I've got to unbundle this. And as we know, if we move that 1 back, that 1 becomes 10 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you've not noticed a pattern, Miss Haycraft likes to put them into rows of 5 because it's a 10, and you know how I feel about my 10s. I love them. Now, can I take 7 away from this? I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means I have 4 plus 5, which is 9. Well, the same thing goes over here. A lot of parents remember, because this is the way Miss Haycraft was talking about, it tells you to go borrow from next door. So that 4 is going to move a 10 over. So this 6 is going to become 16, and this 4 is going to be a 3. So do you see how that can be confusing though up there at the top? So that's the reason this is really good. So that 6 is going to be 16. So that's what we had in our 10s. And when we subtracted our 7, we got 9. And we should have 3 over here. 1, 2, 3. We do. Can we take 3 away? 1, 2, 3. We can. We have 0 left in there. And then we have 2. We need to take 1 away. And we have 1 left. So this goes hand in hand with what we're talking about. So our missing number right here is 1,090. Okay, so that's only using one maneuver. We're going to do our I can, which you can move 3 of them up into that. So